The angular house rises in 3 distinct blocks, where the diagonal of one of the lot's dividing sides led to the rotation of the blocks, giving rise to the name of the house. Designed by Stemmer Rodriguez, Architecture, the house is located in the Terraville condominium in Porto Alegre, Brazil. The resident sought references that would take her back to her hometown in Napa Valley, California. Among the requirements were a bedroom that invited lingering in bed late, keeping cars in the background, and an internal walkway surrounded by a forest, while maintaining a sense of privacy. As an architectural translation of these elements, the 3 blocks were configured, each representing a different zoning. On the front facade, we have the first one, a cube entirely covered in wood that houses the children's suites and floats above the open garage. A large plan covered in pink sandstone, a traditional Californian stone, supports the volume and protects the main entrance. The detachment of the blocks configured the circulation and openings that allow natural light to bathe the interior of the house. The living area extends from the entrance into another imposing block, whose sidewall and ceiling are in exposed concrete, with a texture that combines the strength of the material with the softness of wood veins impressed on it. The fireplace, clad in corten steel, is a focal point of the room and supports the wall. Next to it, the low ribbon glass creates an intelligent contrast between the interior and exterior, giving lightness to the ensemble and drawing large entries of light that, at the same time, ensure privacy. The entire space is permeated by large glass panels that extend the full height of the ensemble, revealing a unique view of the landscape and the garden trees surrounding the residence. The third volume is in white masonry and has 2 floors. The lower one houses the service area, kitchen, and playroom. On the upper floor is the master bedroom, separate from the others, with a spacious bathroom and closet. Connecting each of the blocks, a large walkway optimizes horizontal movement between spaces, resembling the circulation of a hotel. The emphasis on this walkway represents the evolution of a simple corridor that adds the panoramic view from the second floor through the glass panels. In its structure, central air conditioning was installed, optimizing air distribution and concealing all equipment.